Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Roofus Ribbit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two angled lines coming down to a point. And then on top, two small angles up in the center. Now from both ends, let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And then add two ovals inside. Now top in and let's draw another oval near the top. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And then underneath, let's draw two angles down for the nostrils. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop on top and let's draw a curve up on the left and on the right for the top of the head. And then curve it out and down on both sides. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the hat. Let's start with a large curve on top and back down. Then inside, let's draw a curve up in the center. And then two curves down for the stripes of the hat. And then on top, let's draw two small angles up and a curve across the top. And color this in black. And that's it for the hat. Next, let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a large curve across. And then a curve down and in on both sides. Now let's close off the bottom by curving it up in the center and back down. Now top inside the mouth and add the teeth. Let's draw three curved square shapes at the top. And then two curves up from the bottom. Now behind the bottom teeth, let's add the tongue. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out on the left and continue it down on the other side. And the same on the right side. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the shape of the body. From the sides, let's continue the lines by curving it down and in. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve down on the left and on the right. And then inside on the belly, let's add three curved triangle shapes. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and let's add the arms. Let's start with two lines out on both sides. Then curves out on both ends. Then to close off the hands, let's draw two curves across like this. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and add the legs. On both sides near the bottom, let's draw an angled line out. and then another set of angles underneath. Next, let's continue drawing the right leg. For this one, let's curve it down, bringing it back in, and the same thing underneath, but a little bit longer. And now for the foot, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it back in. Then let's add 2 more toes underneath, and then close off the bottom of the foot. And that's it for the right leg. Now for the left side, let's bring it down and in, but shorter than the other leg. And then at the bottom, let's add the shoe. Underneath, let's draw a curve up and over. Now underneath, let's draw a wavy line over and bring it up. And then curve it back over at the top. And let's color this top section in black. Now inside the tongue of the shoe, let's draw 2 curves across. And color this in black as well. Now let's move over to the right side and let's draw a wavy line down for the back of the shoe. Then let's step up from the bottom and let's draw a wavy line over. And the same thing underneath. And close it off on the left side. Now to finish off the toe of the shoe, let's draw a large curve up and back down like this. And lastly, inside the bottom section, let's draw some stripes. And that's it for Roofus Ribbit. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!